everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Now, in the last few days, we've been talking about the super controversial mega drama Jordan 4 Manila. So Jordan Philippines launched like their Jordan Manila store, first in Southeast Asia. To commemorate it, they launched the Jordan 4 Manila. Resale value shot up from SRP of 9,445 to 350,000 pesos. And the funny thing was, if you guys watched the last vlog, the Jordan Shop Manila forced people who won the raffle to wear the shoes before going out and to even play basketball in them in the half court on the second floor. Sobrang panalo, diba? So those were the last few episodes. Now, I was thinking what would be like the best way to close out this series, and I think there's only one way to do it. There's only one way to end this like 3-part video, and that is, let me just get it, to unbox the Jordan 4 Retro Manila. Let's go. Now, before we continue, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, our merch brand, Project 721. So this is our collaboration with Banale. They're an Italian brand. So this face mask was actually designed and made in Italy. So it's in collaboration with Banale Design as well as Urban Traveler. So this is an active mask. So you can wear it while you are working out, walking out and about, and it comes in this amazing, nice green or black color. It has a shoebox tag that you can find over here. Really nice design element. And of course, you have our logos on the other side. Very comfortable, really nice looking, super cool. Check it out. The link can be found down below. Boom! Ayan na siya. This is it. This is the Jordan 4 Manila. Quick shout out, of course, to the guys who sent it over, Soul Republic, one of the best local reseller shops. They're opening up a new branch over at Uptown Mall very soon. Lerwin, maraming salamat. By the way, guys, I did not buy this. They just loaned it over so I can unbox it for you. Wais ang tawag dyan. I also want to give a shout out to Ruel Saunar. He is one of our subscribers here on the channel. He won the raffle. He actually offered to meet up with me to unbox this, but unfortunately our schedules couldn't match. But Ruel, I just want to know that I appreciate the offer. Maraming salamat, bro. Now, as you guys can see, it comes in this massive, gigantic box, which goes to show how premium this is. It has a Jumpman logo in yellow. It says over here, Manila. Panalo, diba? Sobrang exciting. And then the feel of the box by itself is really premium, elegant, pricey. So it goes to show how much, I guess, Jordan brand and Nike Philippines really cares for this particular market. You have this yellow pull tag, and if you pop it open, it says over there Jumpman, and then bam, ito na siya, guys. This is it. This is the 350,000 peso pero SRP niya ay 9,445 Jordan 4 Retro Manila. Before we even get to the shoe, we have to talk about the box because the art on this box is dope. As in talagang panalo. You have the basketball court made out of planks, wooden planks with MNL written on it, kind of like how you would usually see street courts here in the Philippines. You have the classic, iconic jeepney over here. You have other design elements. Man, from Jordan Balls 23 to Sweet Mangoes, love of the game. It's a really nice, hyper-local Filipino box. So I don't know who designed this, but kung sino ka man, whoever the artist is who designed this box, you are friggin' dope. As in, boom, panalo ka, bro. Panalo kasi is, I don't know kung sino ka man, pero panalo. Some of you might not believe that this is a legit pair. Baka inisip nyo galing Cartimar. So, shout add to Cartimar, diba? So, but anyway, so this is actually the receipt. So, as you guys can see, the SRP of this one is 9,445. It's over there. That's the SRP. The resale right now is anywhere from 350 to 400,000. Whew, crazy. And guys, without further ado, without further delay, this is it. This is the Jordan 4, the Air Jordan 4 Retro Manila. One of the most hyped, talked about crazy sneakers of 2020, especially in the context of the sneaker culture and the sneaker game here in Manila, Philippines. Now, as you guys can see, the color is green, and people who first saw it were saying it's just an Oregon color with the Manila tag on the lateral side of the shoe. But apparently, like what I discussed in the previous video, the green and the yellow is apparently in reference to the flag of Manila City. I didn't even know Manila had the flag, but yeah. Some other people also mentioned that it reminded them of Mang Inasal. If you flip the outsole, this is where you see the flag colors. You see red, blue, white, and yellow. To be honest, I would have preferred if they kept the flag colors maybe to the back of the tongue tab or maybe the insole. I just don't feel comfortable with the idea of the Philippine flag colors being the part of the shoe that always touches the ground and gets dirty. So hindi ko lang feel yun. So sana they put it in the insole or maybe behind the tongue tab. Now, of course, you have this small yellow tag over here that says Manila. If you take a closer look, we let the camera focus. And then speaking of up close with the shoe, this is where it really shines. They used premium material leathers for the shoe. You have ostrich like leather for the tongue tab. You have those dots which actually remind me of that. You have some sort of like crocodile leather or snake skin. I think it's crocodile leather here along the mudguard of the shoe. I don't particularly know what material it is that they use for the toe box, but man, everything. And even this one for the side near the air unit is some sort of nubuck or suede. And man, it just looks like a really premium shoe. And of course, at the back of the sneaker, you have the number. So every sneaker is numbered in a series of 150. This one is number, kala ko 69 para kay Big Boy Cheng. This is 67 out of 150. Shoutout nga pala kay DJ Big Boy Cheng. Super premium materials, amazing story, great inspiration behind this. Truly, one of the best Jordans to release, especially in the Philippine context in the last few years. Now, is it worth SRP? Hello, syempre, 9,445. It is super worth it. Now, the big question is, should you pull the trigger and pay 350,000 pesos or resale for the Jordan 4 Manila? Now, this is where I go Tito on you and break it all down. Let me roll up my sleeves because I'm going to summon the inner Tito in me. Guys, if you are going to spend on something, allow me to introduce you to the 10X rule. If you're going to buy something luxury, if you're going to buy something collectible, if you're going to buy something that won't necessarily make you money, the rule is, you should have enough money to buy 10 pieces of that particular item without loaning, without borrowing, without making utang. If you can do that, you can afford it. In short, if you want to buy this for 350,000 pesos, you better have 3.5 million pesos to spare. That's the thinking. Because that's the kind of financial responsibility that you should all have. Hindi pwedeng uutang lang kayo para lang makasuot kayo ng sapatos, para magmukha kayo cool, para ma-impress ang mga tao na hindi nyo namang kilala. Okay? So, plant that in your head. If you are going to spend a ridiculous amount of money, be it on shoes, be it on watches, be it on luxury, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, whatever it is, remember the 10X rule. Another rule that I have in buying luxury is called the passive income rule. That basically means I get to buy anything, whatever it is, be it some expensive shoe, kahit ito, as long as I use passive income. What is passive income? It's money wherein I don't have to lift a finger, I don't need to do anything, and I still make money. So samples would be dividends, samples would be money that comes from businesses that you own that are run and managed by others. And I'll give you an example. So this is an Omega Seamaster 300M. I did an unboxing of this on my watch vlog. I will link it down below. The retail on this is 260,000. Very pricey watch. I bought this 100% using money from passive income. So 200 plus thousand pesos that was used here, I got actually from the dividends that I have from the stocks that I own in the financial market here in the Philippines. I invest heavily in the stock market, in cryptocurrency, in businesses and real estate, and I draw passive income sources from that, and that's what I use to fund stuff like this. Okay, so it's not something that I get from my salary, and then pinaghirapan ko yung pera na yun to buy something that I don't need, because that's exactly what it is. It is luxury. It is not an essential. It is not a need, especially if you think of the context of the time that we are living in today. So guilt-free luxury, if you can pay for it, using dividends or using passive income, or remember the 10X rule. Short, if you really want a hype pair, a limited pair, join the raffle, try your luck. If you're lucky enough, then good for you. You get to cop and wear the shoe of your dreams. Kinda like Chris, one of our YouTuber friends who posted the picture, the Green Ranger, the Power Ranger of YouTube, who was super lucky. This is the one raffle he won for the year. Sa lahat ng raffle, bro, congratulations for you. Merry Christmas. Super happy for you. Post a picture of him somewhere here. So just keep on joining raffles, because here's the thing, there will always be something better. There will always be another shoe. There will always be another hype pair of kicks that you can probably join and try your luck and try to win that particular pair. It doesn't end with whatever is in front of you. And before we end the vlog, and speaking of raffles, let me just remind every single one of you, we are doing a raffle. I'm raffling away a Realme smartphone, brand new, top tier flagship with 5G connectivity. We're raffling away a noise cancelling true wireless earphones, and we're raffling away a smartwatch. I will link to the video down below in the description box. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and then let me know what you think of the 10x rule. Let me know what you think of the Jordan 4 Manila. Let me know what you think of the passive income rule, guilt-free luxury, all of the stuff that I rambled about in this vlog in the comment section. Again, the link to the raffle is down below. Hit it, smash it, enjoy it, good luck, and I hope you guys win. And with that said, this is Carlo. I enjoyed this series. I super enjoyed talking about the Jordan 4 Manila. But it is time na ilibing na natin tong topic na to and move on to what else is up ahead. I hope you guys are all great. I hope you all had an amazing week. And I pray that you all have a peaceful, restful, meaningful, loved weekend up ahead. As usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.